What's going on, guys? How's it going? Let's put together the Shelter Logic 13 by 20 by 12 garage in a box SUV slash truck. I'm gonna tip it up now. Got the one side up. We gotta tip this side. There's 4 more to put in. Oh no, there's another one there. Tighten it down a little bit. 2. Just go around like that. Putting this garage in a box together is not the easiest job. After you have your area prepped, it's probably going to take you about a day to put up the shelter. So I just put pit run down in here. It's cheaper than 3/4 crush or gravel. I'm not too concerned about how level it is. It looks pretty good. I can put a dusting of 3/4 inch on top to level it out a little bit. This is the second one I put up. This one was easier because I actually built the roof framing on the ground, and then I just added the poles and went up. The first one I built, I actually built the entire truss and then I put it together. But unfortunately, I had to go way up on the ladder and try to fit it all together, and it seemed to be a lot harder to do. I've done it this way. I've put the cable so that the anchor's here and the cable just goes up onto the pole on both sides, 1, 2, and 3. I put together the door kit differently. I didn't poke the tarp. So you're supposed to poke the tarp and then hang that over the strap inside. I did it this way. I just wired them to the pole and it works fine. So you can't go up much higher than that anyway. Guys, that was the garage in a box works. Thanks for watching. Take care. Peace out.